14.5. In this lecture video, let's take a look at 14.4 and 14.5 integrated review, talking about our exponent rules and operation of polynomials. All right, so this particular video, let's take a look at the very basic exponent rule. So the very first one is called using 1 for exponents, and here I got using 0 for exponent. So for any real number a to the first power is equal to a. What that means is, for any real number, okay, anything to the first power is always going to be itself, okay? So if you ever see an x, that x is actually equal to x to the first power. And the word, and whenever we see to the first power, that's also referring to as linear. When we do graphing, we will talk about this word again. So when we solve the linear equation, all our variable is actually just x, and they also mean x to the first power. That's how we know those equations that we solved in the previous videos are linear equations. So this is actually 1x to the first power. Since there's no, so when there's no numerical number in front of my x, that's automatically assuming to be 1. That's actually 1x. All right, so anything to the first power is always itself. Okay, very important concept. All right, for any real number a, anything to the 0 power is always gonna be 1. And why is that? Well, just because this is a set notation, okay, basically created by mathematician. So what's going on here? Why is anything to the 0 power is 1? It's a standard type of notation. So basically what we are having ourselves here is a number line for exponents and a number line for answers. So this set notation, this thing is always the way it is basically saying, okay, it's like a standard thing. It's basically saying when the exponent is 0, it will always give me my answer that is 1. So any exponent to the right side of 0 exponent is referring to as positive exponent. So that means positive exponent will always give me answer that is greater than 1. Okay, will always give me answer that's bigger than 1. So for example, if I have 2 to the first power, my answer is simply 2. So any positive exponent is always going to give me answer greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. So to the other side of a 0 exponent, okay, we call this the negative exponent. So that's the reason why we're using 0 exponent as like a standard, because 0 exponent give me 1. So to the left of it, negative exponent give me answer that is smaller than 1, but greater than 0. Okay, actually always give me, so that means it always going to give me answer that is between 0 and 1. Just like 0 point something. For example, any decimal between 0 and 1, like a 0.5, which is equal to a half. So negative exponent will always give me decimal that is 0 point something, or it will give me a proper fraction. All right. So I'm actually gonna do this for example. In the next video, I'm gonna introduce some exponent rules, the way how we're supposed to look at exponents, okay, in the next video, and then I will do some of this example. So let me just go ahead and move it over here to the next slide. Okay, let's put it here in the bottom. Alrighty, so just a quick lesson on exponents, using 1 for exponent and using 0 for exponent. That will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.